2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.